I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
So guys, welcome to day 2 of LS Fest. We are rushing. We were a little late. We had a hard time getting in. There was a mess out there on the street. We didn't even leave here until after midnight last night for our last run, so we're all a little tired, but Steve's in the car, getting the tune in. I think we're about to have to go to the lanes here in just a minute already. We're hurrying up and unloading, throwing the tune in it. We're gonna hope, because I messed up really bad on the last run yesterday. It was my fault. So we're gonna throw a tune in it, qualifying and hope. So we'll see y'all at the lanes here in just a minute.
Going off of my meds, no I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Has to sit in the staging lane because it is raining again. So we're gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna be making passes hopefully here soon. We gotta make 3 consecutive passes back to back, and which means a lot of packing a parachute really quickly. Hopefully the car does okay, but we don't have it turned up too much. But I'd like to really see low 9s, but we'll see. So now we just gotta wait for the rain and then wait for them to get the track back ready. So that sounds terrible. But guys, we'll see y'all here in a little bit. We still got a lot to get done. Really, we just gotta wait. I'd like to go home in a decent hour, but I don't think it's gonna happen. pressure. I didn't hit the scramble this time, and it built 30 pounds. Halfway down the track, it just annihilated the tire. So 30 pounds down this track is not good right now. Unfortunately, I can't turn it down. So I'm gonna have to be easy on it and maybe light pedal it, but it at least went. So we'll see what happens. Everything is hot in here, so I'm hoping we don't melt the transmission down. We got one more pass and we can load it up. So guys, it's the next day. It was too dark to film at LS Fest really. As you can tell, we're back home, unloading all the crap, trying to get my shelf stacked back up. I've got a lot to unload, a lot to get put back up, and try to get my garage back organized. But we'll do a little recap. I met a lot of nice people there. I know for a fact some of them subscribe to the channel, and I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Message me like we talked about there. The car did okay. It's got some hiccups that I need to fix. It got really sketchy on the top end twice. The car probably would have went 8s, but I had to pedal it one pass, and I had to really pedal it the next pass, trying to not shake the tire so bad in the top end, because when you're doing 130, 140, it's not fun to be feeling tire shake. It's also not fun to be skating around the top of the track. So we've got to do some more adjustments. It's on me. It's my fault. I didn't do enough testing, and it comes down to I get nervous to test too much before a race because I'm always scared something's going to break. But we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to learn to get over that and start testing more. We need to get this car faster. The car is faster. We need to get it fine-tuned. It's off some. So we're gonna make some adjustments on my part. I'm gonna start talking to some people that do this a little more, and we're gonna go to the track more, do some more testing, try to get these radials to quit wrinkling so bad. And we're also gonna end up having to change the turbos over the winter. They're starting to run out of efficiency. About 30 pounds is all we got. Granted, 30 pounds also shook the tire in the top end, which is not fun. And the minute it hit 30 pounds is when the tire shake kicked in. So we know at 30 pounds, it's violent. So guys, we got a lot to do still. A lot of it's just on me, but we're gonna fix that and start going to the track more, start testing more. Me and a couple buddies, we're gonna start testing more, and hopefully we'll have a new build coming out next couple months with my buddy's S10. My buddy's S10 will be at Joe's house eventually, and we'll go over there and film it. It's Mark's S10. But we got a lot to do in the next couple months, but we're also gonna chill out a little bit. I'm gonna go test some, but then we're gonna chill. You know, there's not a whole lot of racing coming up, so it's time to start trying to figure out the car before next season, but also kind of relax a little bit, because the amount of money I've spent on the car is getting a little too much. I need to kind of recoup. So guys, I appreciate everybody that was there, supported me, everybody that was sending me videos and pictures. I really appreciate it. Guys, for all the new subscribers, I appreciate you subscribing. If you can, hit the like button for on all the videos. But that's it, guys. Till next time, we'll see you later.